All right, let's officially begin. All right, so we have less than, let's say, 8 minutes. We have 8 minutes before the news comes out. All right, welcome
Okay.
to another live trading section with Kenji. Today we're going to be trading the CPI. All right, we're going to be trading the CPI. Last week we traded NFP and then we made a very crazy mistake, which literally cost us a lot. So far so good. I know I've been able to should I say, recover most of the profit. And in today's trade, I'm believing that I'm likely to get the remaining profits that I lost that very day. All right, I lost I think close to 500 and I've made over 200 and something dollars from that loss. All right, so it's just like it's remaining 50%. Right, so today we're going to be concentrating on just two pairs. As usual, we'll be concentrating on USD card and also concentrating on gold. So let's do some kind of top-down analysis quickly. So if you can see on
USD card and what?
USD card and then gold, USD card and then gold.
Okay, I'm good. Okay.
Yeah. So as you can see, the trend of this market is actually bearish, right? As you can clearly see, you can see this was once a higher high, this was a higher low, this was a higher high. The market came to the downside, broke the previous higher low to form a new lower low. So now market has created this lower low. It came to the upside, created a lower high here, which have my interest around there, and I'm looking forward to see prices push to the downside to create a new what? A new lower low. All right. So my direction for USD card is literally bearish, right? I'm bearish. So on the 3 hours, I want to see prices push to the downside when the news comes out. Though there are two things that is likely to happen. I know that market may want to come to this upside, right, before pushing down, or
Before it comes down.
yeah, or it just impulsively just push to the downside, right? So for me, I
Okay.
will just be literally having patience on what the news report is going to be like. If it's going to be good for USD, then I'll be looking forward to not taking my selling position, right? But if it's going to be bad, I'll be trying to identify interest level zones I would love to sell from, right? I don't want to sell at this area because
Okay.
obviously you don't sell at when things are actually cheap. Instead, you buy a particular asset when it's cheap and then you sell it when it's high. So I want to see it at least pushing to the upside to become expensive before taking a sell position, right? If I don't see it happen, that's fine and good. I'm not taking USD card trade at all for today, right? If market just literally just push to the downside impulsively without retracing to the upside and trading around here, then I won't be interested in trading USD card, right? So quickly, let's now head on to gold. So on gold, we're actually bullish, all right. I had to do some kind of analysis yet again, and then I realized that the true trend of this market is actually looking bullish, right? So we've seen market creating some kind of higher high here, created a higher low here, and now is pushing to the upside to create a new higher high, right? So we need to see this
Yeah.
previous higher high to break out from in order to form this new higher high, right? So now indirectly market is trading impulsively, right? We're seeing internal structure as an uptrend, right? We're seeing internal structure as an uptrend. So let me now head on to 15 minutes. Let's map our zones. So on 15 minutes, this area is a very nice area for me to buy from right now, but I can't really take a buy position because just in 3 minutes the news will be out. So I don't really want to be gambling on my money when I know that a very high impact news is coming out very soon. If it's to take a buy now and the news comes out, I'm likely to get liquidated, like I'm likely to get stopped out because of the volume the news introduce into the market. So instead, I literally just wait for market to actually do its thing. I want the news report to come out before taking any trading decision, right? So for me now, I'm actually bullish. I've seen our internal structure. I've seen higher highs, higher lows. This is more of a higher high. Market has created a higher low, and now I want to see it push to the upside to create a new higher high. So
Okay,
the
to
area
another
I want
higher
to be
high.
looking forward to buy is when market breaks out from this particular high, right? For this particular low, if market breaks out from this low, I'll be looking for selling position when the news comes out. All right, I'll be looking for selling position. But if this high is actually what was being broken, I'll be looking forward to take a buy position. right? But entries are literally going to be taken immediately after the news report is out and not before the news report is out, right? To just be on the safe side.
Okay.
So my view today, like I've said, USD card I'm bearish, gold I'm bullish. So if the news comes out, push to the upside, I'll be looking forward to buy, right? If it comes to the downside, I'll have to wait because I need to understand what the news report actually came out to be before taking a sell operation, right? So, but let's see how it actually goes. Let's see. So for me, I'm literally looking to buy from here, right? I'm looking forward to, I've not taken it. And also, for me, I'm looking forward to sell from here, all right? To sell from here. So, but let's see. We have a minute more before the news comes out. We have like a minute 21 seconds. So let's see. Let me head on to Forex Factory in order to properly track what's really happening. So the news is going to be out in like
Few
75
seconds.
minutes, 57 seconds, yes. Sorry, 57 seconds. 30 seconds more. Remember, we're chilling first. I mean, I'm currently on Forex Factory website. I'm trying to check what the news report is going to come out to be in order for me to either buy or sell. 14 seconds more. And it's out. So wait, we chill first. Let's see what the news report came out to be first. News report is now out. News report is now out. We're still chilling.
But it seems like it's taking a higher high. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. News report is now
Look,
out.
huh?
We have the news as a good
Okay, it's
news.
falling
So I'm
again.
selling good. I'm selling good. Sell good now. I'm selling good. I'm selling good. The news is actually a bad report. It's actually a bad report for gold and it's a good report for USD. Okay, let me start using 0 point. I'm selling good. Let me quickly head back to the charts. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I have some sales around here. Alright, I'm looking forward to exit when prices or market comes to this area. Let's just pick that area for now. So before now, I'm in a sell position on USOIL, but as usual, I don't. It's not all of my signal I give out. I'm not that mentor that is always going to spoon feed him. All right, so um, I'm in a sell position on USOIL, sold around here, and I'm looking forward to see double profit today. Well, let's see whether it's going to happen. Let's see. So USOIL has actually pushed to the downside. I'm stacking, like having lots of position. That's what I mean. Mm. Are you seeing what's happening in the markets? Are you seeing
Yeah, I'm
how
saying
volatile? You're seeing how volatile everything is. Everything is just moving ASAP, ASAP, ASAP.
yeah, I'm looking at it as
Everything is just like too fast because of the news report. Let's see, we're likely to dump. Likely to dump. Likely to dump. I'm not, remember, we scalp news, we don't day trade the news, we scalp the news, right? We don't day trade, we just scalp. Go ahead, scalping the hell out of the news. Oh, I just over leveraged by mistake. All right, let me close one order to fix my mistake. All right, we're almost heading to TP. Please, when I say close, please just close. Almost heading to TP. I'm counting over $156. Oh, I'm counting over 200 now. All right, let me not say what I'm counting until everything closes. So remember the plan. I didn't even look at USDCAD. Obviously, we'll see what USDCAD is doing. The news is actually good for CAD, so obviously may have to push. May have to push up.
Have you taken a trade on the card?
No, I didn't. No. I'm not doing anything here. I told you market. I told you where I want prices get to, which is around this area. This
So you've not yet taken
yeah, I've not.
this point.
Yeah, that point, and I'm not. I may not even be interested in it because at the end of the day, the news actually came out positive. So if market goes to the upside and I'm selling, I may be trading against the news, right? I don't want to be doing that. Last week I just completely just forgot my rules. All right, and then I found myself I found myself trading against the news, right? So and I got fucked. But it's fine. I'm hoping to see if I can recover from this one. I know I've made, like I said, I've made like about 50%. All right, it's just remaining 50%, and I know it's not going to take me time. I'll always recover. After recovering, I know I've learned from my mistake. It's a lesson I got from my mistake, and I'll try not to repeat that anymore. Because a mistake that is done twice, right, is no longer a mistake. Is that you found yourself making an error in something and you corrected yourself and you're still making that same error. It's not an error, it's something else. Right,
Mm.
something else. So let's see. Gold is taking its time. I don't know, now it's pushing down impulsively. Please, I'll tell you guys when to close. I'm counting over 240 something dollars right now. Market is almost getting to the area of interest where I want to actually take my profits.
Did you set did you set your did you set the point where when it gets to close?
No.
Or you're just going to
Manually.
do it manually?
Manually.
Okay.
All right, we're heading there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Market is getting to our area where we want to exit from. This is just quick in and out. We didn't just take any time in this trade at all. Quick in and out. That's what I call it. Okay, we're almost there. 60. Come on. Good, come on. This dude is playing with us. All right. Wait. One more click. Oh yeah, close now, guys. Close all trades. Bulk operation. Close all trades. Don't wait for any opportunity again. All the opportunity has gone. This is our chance for us to close, please. Nice. I'm done. Done, done. Wait, let me see. Remaining one account. Remaining one account. And it's still dipping. Also, did you take this trade?
I'm just watching. No, I'm just watching. I wanted to take it with my what is the name, demo account, but I just said let me. This is the first time I'm actually watching you take a
Oh
live
yeah,
this
yeah,
thing.
that's smart. Nice. Recovered. I fucking recovered. What you did is smart. Trust me, very smart. Because you
So
need to at least
I
have the
just want to
experience
watch
first.
and understand. Then probably the next one I will now use my demo and probably be practicing. Then when I now know that um like I've understood everything I need, then I can now I've not even opened like I can now start talking of using like a professional trading account. So right now this is my first time. So I just wanted to just observe and see
Yeah.
what you were doing.
Wow. This is crazy. Are you still seeing the dump on gold? This
I'm
is
still seeing
crazy.
it's still dumping.
It's not magic. It's just it's an outcome of proper knowledge and proper understanding. Right? You can see how I did this from A to Z. Like I literally just did tell you my plan, telling you where I'm going to buy from if certain criteria are being met. Also telling you where I was going to sell from if certain criteria were being met. Immediately we took a sell from here, market didn't even really retrace. It didn't even come. I wasn't really in a deep drawdown, right? But now I was in a drawdown when
Yeah.
market was trading here. But it pushed to the downside, giving me more profit, right? Giving me more profit.
It didn't even go up at all.
It didn't even, if I came around here, I could have very even exited from here around this area because it's now more of a low probability trade, right? If the market pushed to the upside and then traded around here, I could have just exited. No need of waiting
Mm.
also, you understand? So it's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy, it's crazy. Nice, 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 nice. I really did wish that you took a trade on this, like you actually participated by trading, so you can also share me what you made. But I understand, just like you said, you want to first of all observe since this is literally the first time you're joining our live trading section. All right, this
Mm.
is literally the first time. So maybe from next month, right? From next month, would you should be able to join, even though it's with demo. You've already gotten the insight. You've already seen how I just quickly entered and how I just quickly exited.
It
You
is,
understand? So
yes.
you've gotten the insight that you need to see. So I'll be hoping to see you in our next live trading section, trading with me, so I can see how much you can make. All right. I'll never, just like I say, I'll always advise people, if you want to actually trade the financial market, when you want to trade fundamentally, try as much as possible to not use the whole of the capital that you have in your account, in your trading account. So for example, if it's that you're a trader that has like about $100 that you have in your trading account, right, which you intend using to trade fundamentally, it's never advisable for you to trade on that account that has $100 deposit on it. Instead, it's smart for you to identify the risk you want to take for this particular fundamental trade. If it's at your daily risk, if you're a trader that has a daily risk of let's say of 1%, right, and you have a capital of $100, right? So your or let's say 10% rather. So your daily risk is going to be like about $10, right? That's like 10% of
Yeah.
$100 is like $10. So what you're expected
$10.
to do is, when you have this account with you, which is your $100 account, what you're meant to do is create a new trading account and depositing that amount of money you want to risk for the day. If it's that your daily risk is 10%, remove that 10% from that $100 and then create a new account, create a new trading account, like a new MT4 or MT5 trading account, right? Then literally just put the $10 inside there. Do some kind of internal transfers. Brokers let us to do this internal transfers. You understand? So do some kind of internal transfers and then deposit like $10, which is 10% of $100. When you do that, when news is out, you can now go all in, like in any method you want to do, because you know, as at the end of the day, you're going to find yourself having this you're going to be having your risk management still intact. Now imagine if you went using your $100 account and you were selling, you were stacking, you were selling, you were stacking. My bro, you may end up losing the whole of the profit or the whole of the capital that you have in that particular trading account, which is $100. So the smart and best possible way to do this is literally remove your daily risk from that $100 and then deposit it on a particular trading account, on another separate trading account. Now, if you now want to trade fundamentally, the way I now do, as I'm taking sell positions around this region, you can now say, okay, since you know that this is your daily risk, if you're going to take a loss, you're not really going to be affected psychologically, because literally you're still following your plan, right?
Mm.
You're literally still following your plan, your daily risk plan. You're following your rules. You're not breaking any rules. So if it's that you now want to start, you may now want to say, okay, since there's probability of prices still retracing to the upside despite having an entry here, why don't I stack? You can start with 0.01 lot size, which is the lowest lot size, right? You can now have another 0.01 lot size, maximum 0.02 lot size. If markets can at least retrace to this area, you may not really be stopped out. You understand? You may not really be stopped out. But if it's that there was a retracement around this region, then I know that, okay, yes, you are likely to get stopped out, right? Or even around this region here. I want to do some kind of calculations. So 0.1 from here to here is actually $8, right? So if the prices came to the upside and then you stacked, you may still be able to, your broker may not even allow you to take that second position, obviously because of your leverage. You don't have enough leverage to actually take on that sell position on gold.
Mhm. Okay,
You
okay.
understand? So
Yeah.
you may just
Yeah, yeah.
literally just end up having just one single position. But at the end of the day, if it's that you did that, you took a sell from here, let's say yes, your sell was around here, TP was around here. You sold, risking like about $10. How much you make in return? You made like about 8 point something dollars in return in just a minute. If you're that kind of high risk taker that don't really mind, you may just end up, if it's that you are literally sure I'm more confident in what I'm doing, you may just end up taking more stacking position, leaving with at least maximum of 0.02 lot size, maximum, because I know you cannot extend that. So 0.02 lot size. You understand? So when that is
Mm.
done, you realize that your profit in this particular trade, when it reaches take profit, is literally going to be like $16. Do you get what I'm saying? It's literally going to be like
Yeah.
$16. So that's a win-win for you. Next month you go again. You understand? Next month you go again. Remove your $10 or remove the amount you want to risk per day from your main capital, your main account balance, and then go all in the market. If it's that you're even using leverage one ratio unlimited, better for you sef. You will not even be affected by leverage at all, because your broker is going to provide you with all the amount of money, all the amount of capital that is required for you to literally sell or buy a financial asset. Even if you have like about $5 in your account, you can take two trades. You understand? If it's that you have $10 in your account, you can take like about three trades with unlimited leverage. Do you understand? So this is literally just more of an
Yeah.
advice I know I'm willing to share to people, because I know that this literally did help me, right? It literally did help me, ensuring that I still go with my daily risk. I don't exceed a particular risk for the day. And this is because of this basic understanding that I have. And secondly,
Mhm.
also because of the proper knowledge I have when it comes to lot size, how to properly pick my lot size. Right? So take this advice from me as a trader, just like you are, right? Like I always say, there's no difference between me and you. We are both traders. We are all traders. The major difference between myself and yourself is just literally the experience that we have. So talking based on experience, this is an advice I know I can deliver to you, which I believe you can use to actually properly trade the financial market. All right. So that's actually that for today. My trade on USOE is still consolidating. You can say I didn't really bother about CPI news affecting US oil because I know that most of these news reports they don't really push US oil. US oil is a free man, he just moves by himself. You understand? That's why I was
Okay.
confident in taking a sell operation some hours before the news report. But I can't do that in gold or USD card. I can't do that. Alright, remember I was telling you something before we commence. I was telling you that this is a good area for me to buy from, but I can't really do that because at the end of the day I may get being stopped out. Like if I took a buy position before the news reports actually did come out, I would have been taken out. What is currently happening in the market is literally the fact that the people that are moving the financial market right now are literally fundamental traders. So within so hours to so hours, just be expecting fundamental movement. So fundamental literally told us that the news report was actually good for USD card. So obviously,
Mm-hmm.
any currency pair, right, or instrument that has USD as the quote currency gets to do what? Depreciate in value, right? OC, I remember I taught you about this.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, so they get to depreciate in value. Why? Because they are literally negatively correlated. One has to go
Yes.
up and the other has to go down. If it's that the news was actually now bad for USD, what will happen on gold? Gold is obviously going to skyrocket, right? It's
Mm-hmm.
actually going to push to the upside. But in this case, that's not actually the case. The news report that actually did come out was literally a good report for USD and obviously indirectly a bad report for
A
gold.
bad report for good.
So this is how we were literally just able to simply just take this trade in less than how many minutes? Let's see. Let's do our calculation. Right? In less than I sold from here in less than 20 minutes. And how much did I make? I made over like about $333 just from this little movement. Just from this little movement. I made over $333. Now, the last time I traded NFP, I know you guys, I did provide to us on YouTube that I lost over 500 and something dollars. Right? I lost over
Yeah.
500 and something dollars. Yesterday, I made over like 25 or should I say 50% of how much I lost in NFP. And today, I've made an extra percentage and even gotten myself an extra profit. Right? I have like more extra $100 to fund me.
100. Yes.
You understand? So it's crazy. Don't give up on your dream. Alright? Don't give up on your dream. Just like I said, it's just exactly like I did. One thing about me is that I can't really be affected psychologically because I'm a person that actually do trust my strategy. I know what my strategy can give me. I know what it means for my strategy to not actually turn up for me. And I'm never affected because I know how to properly manage my risk. I know how to properly manage my capital. Right? So thanks for joining, guys. I think there's no other thing for me to talk about. I have taken my profit for the day. I've taken a sell, so there's no need of me taking a buy here or taking another sell opportunity here. All right, I'm actually done for the day. I'll be seeing you guys in the next live trading section, which is literally next month, the first Friday of the month, which is where we're going to be trading NFP. All right, so thanks for joining, guys.